Let's see how to convert EMLX file to PST file. First, go to your browser and search for www.shefware.com. In our product section, go for EMLX to PST Converter. After successfully launching application, add your folder and locate your source EMLX file and upload it. Now you can check mark what you want to convert. Export the files you want to convert. Now you can filter what output file you want, like PST, MBOX, PDF, and many more. You can also filter out the date and exclude attachments. We also have an option to split PST file on the basis of size. Now select the destination folder where you want your file. And then press Start Conversion. Your file is converted and successfully saved to your decided destination.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials, and visit shefware.com.